And to come back for Abronye Dc, we have class with Captain Kojo Smart. I would tell him say, I was a IGP, National Security Council. It me check Captain Smart. Nina fan and say video be a Captain Smart. I said now he was inciting the youth to come and do coup d'etat. What I say? On inciting youth, we say youth to know. And so the mayor coup ain't here a bino. Abronye Dc say I didn't Captain Smart hooper and a threat to the country's security. Eight to know and penny for 8 me and got teberi. Captain Kojo Smart. Ebe de hon komo. No achire wadwen amame. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Mess was any demo. Obe like video no other about subscribe button so click notification icon of latest updates. Na ba chire wadwen di amame. Ewo comment section. Mess was so baswa. No achire no from so enya bi ahwe. It last week na bro catch us Captain Smart. I say why you 10 be because you can himself fight ma NDC John Mahama go achire say what John Mahama dodo. What John Mahama bro so. But na say as a dollar say air cost through $dollar. Enra, we need the Bank of Ghana man for update. It update that's what that whole 29th as of 11 a.m. And no update. And that's what that as of that time, not dollar, either 11 cedis 75 pesos. In the Enra, Oma update and next update MI18 say Nina Kambomwa. Dollar by now, dollar and number 13 cedis. Ewo Bank of Ghana for Akachi. Dollars say cost you know. And Captain Smart, every viewers now all boy by say, 8 months in office, nothing they move on. They will buy a dollar, BBN also, and what you know, dollar BBN move, just and nothing they move. And he was inciting the youth to do coup d'etat against the president.
Oh, say 8 months, no, extra, because John Mahama 2012. From January to August. Say MPP na do ne ba me na de court bosome wotwe a. Ko betuma ye niama pa. Ba mu delay amembo nu bosome wotwe. What it means is that asamna John Mahama kan no wo translate no into a na. What it means is that bosome wotwe it mean the yard the papa. But bosome wotwe we apart from say dollar co from by 10 cedis. They say 1044 no. What next? Pato, tell you. Say, I buy way to be on Friday night and see from. See me here. I saw me can memoir. I saw me back and so wash it. So I buy way to be on Friday night and see from say blam. I'm paid you man mebuna. I am sure by 2029 the Ghana Armed Forces will take over this country. Smart. So by 2027 May, that's a Ghana Mebunu and Juma ya Mahama won't be the president at all.
Now, if I say no kind, I know na Abronye Dc na captain no other mind independent born mo omo timi ka say free. Abra ye ntimi nchoma na asede. Ade Captain Smart akan a threat to even President Mahama himself more than and say almost TikTokers for kan go chi wo mu. TikTokers for kan say you be come Mahama you try na say mo kwatwom there any Captain Smart as say o meye ku entia Mahama. What are you people waiting for? Go and arrest Captain Kojo Smart.
Say President Mahama ya dio onya dio men support obi say onkoye ku entuno aye nonsense. Abaya stupid or man part say me ametia sisi say President Mahama ya dio onya dio na what to say yes obi kwa kotu President Mahama no oni ade no support ku nya de papa say wo nyansa pa de ku enya de papa o manchi kire ba bia ewiase ikono modern democracy ikono wo nyansa ne say ohun microphone na eni kwanse o kan ku kura asem entino what one say wanya ma wo yen centroni na ya to ase an President Mahama onya de enti by 2027 no say be ko ni say dia the youth will take over the country masa si enya kwanya ne say ye kwa ne say kwa bola so wie ne say ye kwa microphone no ho a ye hu nyansa se me beka na wo ka ku nu kura ku na wo mbe ya ahodo be nan ye kasa kire ku mu ankata kura na onim ade kro eno ansa manfo na ye bia na wate se ye chiotena se ku ye wo ma ahodo nan ne ya lesia ma e bia palace school kire palace school mu e kire sen ye ebia breakthrough ku kire mu e kire sen ebia guardians coup d'etat e kire sen Victor Coup d'etat, Victor Coup d'etat, say ultimate them. And no answer would the answer what to coup. Now okay can be what to say man be a coup. Until wunya kwanya na free baller shoot to your microphone now. And President Mahama Ebekoni said yeah by 2027 no the youth will take over the country because of one homework. What a nonsense. Say he is trying to put something in the Ghanaian youth to know what mind. Yam fabi be yam put something in their mind say wamusu ye kuwa ye. Oh, sankrofo we nana and this for do omu ye campaign. And so almost start so omo ke kan kwati asema because so omo no de omo timin carry. Na se ku no wo bisa omo a wo ma sofa akwa ahotrem wo Ghana ha wo ku hu a ka won so de nkonkonum wi e metra microphone hu kan wi ayi ku hu asem. I say president Obako ni say dia by 2027 no youth no be take over. Why na katro say ye kuwa na fe de mabuno anya adwuma ye. Why na katro obi obadwene saa bia no na kyese na dwene na ankasa na ewo fam but me amemetie atras Ghana ye military say womo no nya ready because you respect ye military one. The fact that by way by your allowance, the fact of Mugubo who come to a mono and my military no and conquer ye my phone. Because Ghana has your military no one respect pa because almost what my boy a democracy na day I couldn't nimti or more respect. A team months and training being conumri and Sarano Pankotna TV so. And kaso no one ye o gawo kroma say and niama nko yentino and because of say niama na nko yentino as say you to free asia prepare no mo take over ayen kwase akọ eye ko anyansa nyeden enim official free baller so ba no obetra microphone waka nyansa say mama but on can read because Ghana mabunu me catch mu praying. Journalist biana why na dwen so no ba be di ni birthday ntino sa ni birthday no be di that time no na odem kwakoyeku because obi be bia TV station ama wakwakotena ho no de mo sa mabunu no no wakeka nsem mo akonye sa ku ni na di adwuma bebrem na nipa na obe lead ku na ankasa no mo misa no se ni nyansa Odiba abedi monim mamudi a control country na wo fine. Enipa na ono no say ebeduro ye ne birthday enti ne birthday ni duro na say nya dia the youth will take over no na kyese obu be say or plan say oni mabunu no be take over the country. Ba wunu no ba bia. Eye wi no na mo no ma mo hu niam mienu. Asese Ghana mabunu mo ti ase say Obi obaba be kachira o say ku ene be magana mabranya adwuma ye bia no boa eye democracy omanya democracy wom ana jobs ye de wom oman bia no militarism ade adwuma ba obi obaka kachira obi an so ye babru no wadwene mu da ho a military government bia no ode adwuma bebre wa yere aye omo dadao omanya militarism to trust them mranya adwuma no. I am telling you obi baka so ye babunu dimachi na me kwa kotua banagu because the president not performing na me no me ba me mo adwuma no monsi sa nipa kro hu na mo hu na nim asem mo wa ma ye nche no enye ku and the dear Juma bro because somebody thinks say President Mahama is not performing until by 2027 so we take over and also a business in birthday awurade nyankopon and to take over no your no be lead or koye revolution Ghana mabunu ne me mama hu say Coup d'etat Juma ba Sudan. Me do my Sudan. Mamu na numre. Mumu bebra mo wa platform isu mo ya kratifo. Mo amu hwa wa TikTok. Mo amu hwa YouTube, Facebook ne ada social media platform no. Mo ya kratifo awurabafo. Mo ampanyimfo amonso mo ni afi mu ni mabakosem. Se coup di adwuma ba, coup di ahotoba o manmu, coup di mpuntuo ba o manmu Sudan. Womo ye omo first coup 1958. Besi ne Sudan enyoye. Besi ne Ghana ye wa ahoto ye mabunu hoto omo echen Sudan. Ene ye ka kire Ghana mabunu se monkotena Sudan na mobekwa ana. A different 1958 Sudan ye ni first coup no. Wama ye coup, coup upon coup. Enti ama Sudan mana ye den. Asay me di Sudan kwa ye example akyere mo. Me nwe mama mo many countries. Mama mo many more countries. A different 1958 ebesin ne me bisa Ghana mabuna obi dada mo say monko yeku because the government is not performing. Say Sudan womo ye first coup 1958 ebesin ne woma ye coup nko abro 30 Sudan corona say because of coup enti ye babu no Ghana no obi dada say coup dia ye de coup yaman for Sudan number 1. Omo ye first coup 1958 and 2 year babu na sa ohwema ask yourself say unya Sudan abetena na sisi agogo Sudan abakosem Google Sudan abakosem o wi ase okọ Togo womo ye first coup d'etat 13 January 1963 na Ghana ye first coup kura nyede ye first coup d'etat mai esa coup no ana etiama yadema ene Emmanuel Badure omo overthrow President Savage no Olympio awo Togo 1963 13 January eno mutu no besi nei Togo dabi omo koba Ghana bob brachen Togo bebre nano he apraz na ekoso eho kureye manya Burkina Faso womanya ku sa different na 3rd January 1966 10 January 1966 ana kene Sangule La Mizana obetu President Yamiango edifri okuwaba the latest one ayeniesi 2022 2016 coup ebra President Mahama tisu coup siye 2018 coup wasi and a latest one yi any 2022 coup ya esiye ewo Burkina Faso coup wa disu so ade Sankara num nyina coup ana do amkoy Burkina Faso coup aba honum no eboro ba ne wo ho bisa se asise Ghana niye wo no wo motia no mo dada mo social media Ghana niye wo no Burkina Faso nibi the only surviving thing omo wo ayesa dam na omo wo de ye omo ntosia oman ne kofa eba wo ye no free wa babia democracy di oman Ghana duru no Burkina Faso exams na ye no omo kwa ka Ghana ye A+ womo D7 kro mu nyabi babia democracy e di Ghana akwa duru no nanu adayai agura go Libya womo first coup aye 1969 second one aye 20 11 ye misa se ahontaba ehwa ye yie agro wo nipa ni so ye wia ye nwie Benin ha ya Benin ku mako ensia. The first one 28th October 1963 Sogro ono ne overthrow President Mega Benin. Sogro and overthrow President Mega 28th October 1963. No overthrow President Mega. Ye yo. Oba Nigeria, ya Nigeria hai. Coup and mako be ni onsia and soon. Edi free 15 January 1966. Chukuma Kaduna and overthrow President Abubakar Tajawa. Otunu 15 for yina free one nano no biaba. The same year 7 months later 29th July 1966 na onuko tu obi 15 January 1966 29th July 1966 na Yakubu Gowon ono so through coup d'etat no no su kotu ekotu ayi Chukuma no Kaduna no ati ku na edifri ho Buhari ya na no ofri mu President Buhari ya ofri mu wo mu nyina ye ku 82 atena so amfa ku ahodo see there is a problem. But sen komu you should democratic process and they solve what come se bana koma nim. Congo womunya womu first coup. Congo womu first coup d'etat 15th August 1963. Mobutu Sese Seko. Mobutu Sese Seko. And also President Lumumba 1963. And now me no ka say so ye Ghana babunu ne catch us Congo a obeko. Ye besamo ye catch us kwatena Congo a obeko because won pe ho. E ho no because a different 1963 ever seen there has been coup upon coup e Congo e ma corona say. E ma corona say. Atiti apansam Niger ya Niger ha say ya catch Ghana mabunu say omon kwatena Niger a ombeko omo di coup upon coup and I say o mine and then Niger I say nyina no Niger for sra wo te Ghana didn't tell Niger for asoro omo te Ghana because coup upon coup on kan a wo kan enye yie e dia say mine no Niger ha yai Niger ayeye woma ye ku Niger ayeye ene Ghana baburu wan na ka kire ne say onto nkwatra Niger mo bra obeko omo ye ku che obia entimunya akwanya na samo kasa kunu the African continent no ye wo ku ho abakosemo. There is only one country okona nimu kakra aho Africa ha womu na di kan ye coup first. Ethiopia, the first coup d'etat in African continent. Ethiopia and adeni ye esiye eno ye 1910 first coup d'etat. But Ethiopia akona nim anesa Ethiopia airline ukoba bia obehu bi what you say? Omo bo 1910. Amanya kabia ni wa maye ku abo omo wo mu nyina pese omo ko omo nima wo mo san back to the democratic rules no because Nigeria hu se ku no ku ahodo o makobeye ensia nso no amwo man no And you take Ghana Hana Soko no wi ba. You can criticize President John Mahama, but in Kase, when in Mabrubetia Sima take you over. Na your birthday, and you draw no one yes said yeah, and Mabunube take you over. Okay, can't send their to a mutin to say cool yard, papa. Yes, and nuntina you want democracy say, a man will be a coswami, I will criticize the government. What ma criticize it, but then call for so being quiet revolution. And call for so being called overthrow a democratic elected government. It doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense. So be a to microphone amount, not out the microphone anymore. Not a nyamia dum, what a microphone, a be a studio, na nyamia dum what you come when you reach the car at the Kotoria no man. Oh, Kawasema, you can criticize the government. But say over yes say who call for coup ni sania man na President Mahama me pewasa mama and I me yes say and I want yes say but 2027 year me birthday ni bibi besie no bibi anu esi Ghana mabunu pe analysis ya media mama no tenase na bisa ho se Niger omo ye coup chain bibi bia omo ho kire omo ntire omo ba Ghana Sudan asay Congo asay Mali asay Burkina Faso ye coup chain babia omunya adwuma omunyina soro omo ba Ghana adentia because on mine Ghana na ye fire democracy no nkakra ye koyanim ye mfada koro Memen country President Mahama say on for 2025 and yeah everything in his manifesto me say doesn't make sense but on one kasa the man na on one imfie nine so an incompetent na be piana ko. But to call for coup ni there. It's about time send national security for conditional unibi wa mohwe. Conditional statement be a what security threat there say mutimi ka ho asem. Ye wasem bi wo ha yes. Conditional statement bi wo ho there. But bi to wo ha nipa ni si ka asem no. Asem firi ase hwe niam yie.
Wo so betu a kire wa adwen e wo ho ama me. E wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah Media. Akra.